In this video, we will be seeing a simple C program where we are going to print our own name using a C program. So we will be writing a C program which will ask you to enter your name and then it prints your name. So let's start with the C program. So I'm starting with hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output header file. Now I will be writing void main. Now let's ask the user using printf, or even we can use puts function to ask the user to enter name. And when the user enters name, we can use gets to take the name. Now because we need the name, we should declare a name variable. So we can take the name variable of character array. So for that, I can declare character name of type array, character array we are taking, and the name is the name of variable. And name, we are not going to give any value, just we are declaring it. So when the user enters name, we will be taking in name variable, and then using puts, we can print the name. So now once execute the program, so array size missing, so we can give the limit of name. I'm giving 15. So 0 errors or warning. And when I run, it will ask you to enter name. So when I enter name as Ram, it will give you Ram by puts method. So the same, we can use a string by using a printf. So here I can give name like this, and compile and run again. Enter name Sam this time. Name is Sam. So this way we can take from user the name and print it on the output screen. So that was a C simple program for printing name, taking name as input from user and printing the same on output screen using gets and puts method of C programming.